Now we are going to create our colorful background. So I will be coming around giving you a piece of plastic wrap. You will need a cardboard rectangle for this, since it will need to dry on the drying rack, and then of course a piece of cardstock. This is not super thick, so it will get a little bit of movement in it, but it should dry fairly flat. Okay, so to begin, you want to think about the theme of your Notan, okay? Mine is kind of a nautical theme, so I kind of stuck to blues. I grabbed a little green. I'm super curious to see what gray could look like, so I'm going to play around with that as well. So I am just going to be coloring on this picture. I'm going to try and see if I can't get the bottom a little bit darker than the top. And then of course you want it to be about as wide as your paper. Throw in some of this turquoise. I'm going to try and add my gray kind of towards the bottom. I have no idea what this is going to do, but I kind of want it to appear like it might be getting a little bit darker underneath. We shall see. I'm trying not to go over the colors because I don't want to dirty these tips. Once you've added your marker, okay, I'm going to come around with a spray bottle and we're just going to give it a little bit of spray. Okay, we're going to get this wet. I'm being very careful since I have this around electronics. I want to get it plenty wet to where the colors will blend. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my paper and I'm just going to lay it flat right over this, and I'm going to kind of smear it around a little bit. Be careful, you will get marker on your hand. I'm going to take this on my board and I'm going to just carefully flip it over. Okay, now if I let it dry with this line will be on the paper. I may be stuck with that, but see how it's kind of ripply? If I leave it like this, it might actually dry like this. So let me just zoom in so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. So I'm going to leave a few wrinkles in here and we'll just see what happens as it dries. I'm going to put it on the drying rack just like this.